Hi all, my name is Sarah Barnhart and I'd like to welcome you to the CCBC Teaching Online course. I realize that this is a difficult time for many of you and I thank you for taking the time to take this course. I know that you all are very busy at this moment. You have a lot of things going on, both with CCBC and I'm sure personally within your own life. But we'll work together to get through this because I'm not sure what the future is going to hold, but I think it is a good idea at this point in time to have the ability to teach online moving forward if we need to do that or if you desire to do it. So the class officially opens on Monday, April 20th. Please always check announcements. This is where I will be putting up weekly, bi-weekly announcements. Over here under Getting Started, you have some information on what to do before you get started, so you can read these documents within here. It contains the CCBC online learning policies, some information for faculty, privacy and accessibility statements, and information about your online learning coordinators, as well as the citation pages for the articles in here. You can read a little bit about me under the instructor information. Here is the syllabus for the course and also the course schedule. I recommend that you keep a copy of both of these, especially the schedule, because it can act as a checklist. So if I open it, you can see that this has the due dates, the assignments that you'll be working on as you go through each one. So we will be covering this in learning modules, and for this course we have 5 modules, but it's 4 weeks long. The 5th module is part of this 4th week, and so we'll go through each one. Everything you have is within these modules, but we also have the assignments, assessments, discussion boards, and journals are also over here for easy access. If you need to reach me, you can use course messages. You may use CCBC email. And I've also provided you with my cell phone on the syllabus since I'm not in my office, so you could text me on my cell phone or call me. I look forward to working with you and seeing you online. Take care, stay healthy, stay safe.